Okay, everybody, here it is, Monday morning. We're off and running. I'm going to try to get in. We have a signal right now on our 0DTE trade. I'm going to try to see if I can get in here at 80. I don't know if I can get 80 or not, but I'm going to set it. Let's see. Come on, 80. We're doing 2 contracts now. So we scaled up last week to 2 contracts. Let's see if I can get filled here. I should get filled. The Vince trade is rocking and rolling this morning. Let me see if I can go a little bit further out on this. Oh, too late. Okay, so I got in at 80 on that. So let's lock that in. 80 bucks. Here's our trade. And I'm going to set the profit target exit order. So for 80, that means we need to buy it back at 30, I think. 30. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up. Create duplicate order, buy back at 30. Make sure that's working. Okay, there it is. So there we got filled at 80, and we have our exit order in here to buy back at 30 to get our 100 bucks. So we're off and running. Let me just kind of adjust this a little bit. So we're going to tune into the room. We're going to eavesdrop in the our morning trading room, where I trade the strategy that I call the Vince trade, and that is micro day trading futures. I got all my words mixed up. It's a micro futures day trading strategy that we're using with the prop accounts, and we just get in here every morning, spend the morning together trading, making some money, and it's a great way to start the morning off. And we'd love for you to join us. I can get you a free trial if you're interested. Just email me, contact me, and leave a message below the video, or somehow just get a hold of me, and I can get you a free trial in there. So let's go over there now, and we will eavesdrop on the room, see what's going on over there. I'll pull it in here. Oh, I just shrink it. I'm just going to adjust this so we can see our trade over here at the same time. So here's our trade. You can see that white number where we're down 48 bucks already. That's our current P&L in the position. So we can keep our eye on that while we listen to the room. All right, so this is the Vince Trade Strategy Room. Again, just reach out to me. I'll get you in here, free trial, and you can spend the mornings with us. So let's see what's going on.
We get another day where we can trade the +2s as our entry. All right, at least the Dow's come in a little bit. Let's take that. Come on down, Nazi.
Order filled.
All right, I'm going to short the Russell so that you don't have to. Outside day up, big expansive candle. Why not get involved? Who got short Nazi at the +2 touch? Perfect +2 touch. Please somebody tell me you did. There we go. Oh, you had to sell that. Me? Awesome.
Order filled.
Crush it. Root for you. Take profit at VWAP. Don't pay
Order filled.
stupid stuff I'm doing. I need the Dow to come in a little bit more. Come on. Come on, Dow. Sell new highs for me on the Dow too. Check in over here where I may be losing my ass because I got 9 million things going on. Yeah, we're down 146 on a 6 lot of the S&P short. That ain't good. Dan's doing it right, long and short. That's what we're supposed to be doing. We're supposed to be long and short. Okay, I just cheated on you. I couldn't help it. So I cheated. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm a bad man. I'm a bad man. I shorted that NASDAQ. Full NASI. I went full NASI at 585s. Full NASI. So now we're up 1,049. You never go full NASI. Never go full NASI. Man, this S&P, strong like bull. Strong like bull. Jomoing and taking notes or whatever is perfect today too. No problemo. Dow coming back up. No way I'm making money on the Russell. I am. Oh my goodness. Come on now. Anyone do something stupid and short the Russell there too? Eventually we'll get right. We'll get it right. Dow's looking to break the 210s, and it's through it. 212s, new high Dow. Actually, yeah, that's a new high. 213 was the high. 215 just printed. Come on. Targets for some of you guys. Who took target there? 540. Somebody. Come on now. New high for Dow. Oh, look at that. Sometimes when we touch. There we go. That's nice. Yeah, and we're just going to make our money, and then we're going to get the hell out of here. Right? We're going to make our money.
Order filled.
Make our money. And then get out. Come on, Nazi, give us a fill down here. Russell keeps going higher. There you go. Die, Nazi. It's helping some of you out. Do 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 do. Let's get into the bid zone.
Order filled.
Friends don't let friends trade the Russell. I just do it for you so that you can see that I can push buttons here like a drunk monkey. And all right, we just got to fill at the -1s. So extended targets, and then here, look at this. We're gonna let's make this look a little better. Come on, Dow.
Order Order filled. Order filled.
God, if I would have held my
Order filled.
should have held the Nazi short. I'm here for you guys, so I don't even have time. We don't have time to go and look at the options quite yet, but selling some 17.6s look pretty good right now. All right, here we go. Come on, 496.
Order filled.
Yeah, let's scare the children lower while the Dow keeps going higher. All right. Over here, did I lose my ass here, or what's going on? Oh my goodness, look at that. MNQ. Let's take one of these. I'm like the best ever. Okay, there we go. And then we're short here. The best thing is once you
Order filled.
really go, hey, you know what? I can trade small across. That's a pretty good day right there. These brand new. Look at that, $404. How's that? Done. Now, in all seriousness, folks, you can have
Order filled.
a lot of different places if you're staying small and you know where the strategies are. You just go to the chart, put the trade in there. I mean, if we end up making money on the Russell today, then we know it's an easy, good day. Anyone done for the day? I mean, that NASDAQ short alone should have got you paid. That's right. I'm super humble too. Yeah. That's the key. All right, we gave back a bunch of this already here. That's the TDG shirt. TDG shirt's going to be, it's hard to be humble when you're as great as I am. Kermit is aroused over there on the Dow. All right, we'll take one there because we caught a perfect this twos.
Order filled.
Go, Nazi. So here's what's bad, though. This account is messed up over here. We are down $200 and something. So what do we need? We need. I can't even read this. What does this say? We're short 6. That's too much. That's too much. We're short 6 there, and on the Nasdaq, didn't get another in here. We have I have a bad price there too. Hold on.
Stop filled.
What's going on here? I think I need to buy one right here. There we go. Buy at the lows. Buy low, sell high. I don't know. I don't want this on here anymore. As soon as you start doing more than a few trades, actually these look good though. I love this feature. This move the bubble thing feature. If you need 495, you should have already been filled. We touched 495. We touched 495. We've been there. Should be long. We went line to line. Some of you better have made a shit ton of money on that NASDAQ short. That was just too easy. Man, to catch a short on the Dow today, you have to be quick. You have to be in and out. Boom. Quick, quick, quick. All you got to do is believe in the magic lines. Just believe. And then, more importantly, also believe in your ability to manage risk and to have seen this before many, 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 many times. Or to get into a flow state of saying, you know what, it's outside up. I'm fine, Joe Mowing. I'm fine. So that when we do our P&L and EC scores, if you had a whole 90-minute session where you didn't trade because it was outside day up, and you know I don't like the concept of rules as opposed to like frameworks and stuff, but oh, that's my favorite GIF you've ever shared, Dan. I think I'm gonna steal that. Do I have the right? Do I have the right to put that in a? I can. Those are public use, right? Okay, I've had about enough of the S&P continuing to go back up to these highs. I really shouldn't trade this anymore here, but I'm going to. 'Cause we just nailed it, but let's. Then we need a new high plus 6 ticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-ish. Go right there. All right, short the S&P. Come on down. You come on down. All right, I have to take one of these. Graceful exit. Yeah, I can use that. Checking in with the Russell again, leaving a mark. It's leaving a mark. Why not go up 2%? There you go. Let's buy the money losers. Give us a touch here at VWAP. Come on now. Talk about power of quitting in the morning. Shit, we should just end it now. Like maybe one more target on the NASDAQ. I can do a few more graceful exits on the S&P and Dow short. Just get that under control and finish up $1,500. Do we have anything at 9 Central, 7 o'clock? I didn't look at the juice. Let's look at the juice. juice. Here we go.
Order
I
filled.
don't think so. Today's the 22nd, right? Yeah, there's nothing left on here. How come I don't even see? I don't see anything on here. Like literally, there's not a single thing in the whole world. We have Netflix. Do we have Netflix? The Netflix earnings call is tomorrow, so that means Netflix reports earnings tomorrow, I guess. We have Netflix and Tesla reporting earnings. Ooh, I want a new high by a little bit more. 4,900 in the cards. Did Brad put the sheet in here? Yeah, sorry. Of course he did. Of course he did. Order filled. What happened? Oh, now we have a 2-lot on. Can't see this working out. Oh, target hit on the NASI. Now we come back up here. So taking a look at this, the NASDAQ ROP high for today is 17,470s, which we're already trading through. And the MES is 49.19. So we have just 20 points to get to that. No, more than 20 points. 23 points. And the Dow, we're talking about 37,422s. And the Dow we're trading, no, sorry, 38,158. 38,158. And we're trading above that already. Oh my goodness. It's almost like this stuff works. In other words, tells you where you could go. God, how could it not fill me there? Russell's a one-way train. One-way pain train.
Order filled.
All right, I'm seeing some comments in here, which are fine, but you guys are overthinking it. Calster River, you're just overthinking it. You don't. I mean, I know it's cool to mentally masturbate about markets and things, but you're overthinking it. Buy the blue line, sell the pink line, sell the red line, buy VWAP. Accumulation, distribution, time of day, OEX, option spread, volatility, curve, Russell readjustment, London close. London! There's a great song called London by Queensryche. Really off of... Do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, we got a lot of rain in LA on Friday, I think. No, Saturday. And it's dreary, crappy weather here, too. Dreary, crappy weather. Oh, target hit on one of these S&P shorts. Why don't we just protect it here, and then I'll sell a new high and get back in there too. Come on down a little bit.
Order filled.
I hadn't thought of that song in a long time. All right, stopped out. Come on down, Dow. Come to butthead, NASDAQ. One more touch of VWAP. I know. I really do appreciate all the comments. I just get a little reverent. As long as it's not, because for a lot of people, I am a believer that all those thoughts are energy a little bit. Another touch. Interesting to me that we have no vol at all in the treasuries today. I would have thought there'd been a little bit of movement in the ZN. Just nothing happening here. My mic is
Order filled.
Well, that's probably because I'm not speaking into it properly. How's that? Is that good? Hi, sweetheart. Got the doggy back. Let's do a quick sound check. Brad was telling me that the mic was going in and out. It could be just because, yes, I'm reaching for things and not speaking into it. It's a little low. Okay. A little low. Oops. Now is it working at all? All right. I'll get in on it, fix it up. God, this Russell's just leaving a mark, as it does, as it's known to do. Oh, you had to turn the volume. Okay, I'll figure it out. I'll figure out what's going on. We can do it right now. It's called Shure, right? The Shure microphone. All right, let's go over here. We want to be coming in loud and clear. All right, monitor mix, playback, mic gain. Is that the same thing? Is it getting any better right now? 22.5 decibels. Is that better? It's better. All right. A little better. You know what's better? Crushing this NASDAQ. Just crushing it. Order filled. All right, everyone agrees. 9 out of 10 trader dentists agree the microphone sounds better. I'm there for you people. All right, let's get this NASI to go down back into the bid zone. What's going on, sweetheart? You need to get go tell your dad to wake up. Go tell your dad to wake up. You want to go pee?
Order filled.
All right, you want to go potties? I had to let the dog out to pee.
Order filled.
It's not my dog, but I still love her. She was like, my daddy's not getting up because he's got a bunch of. We have quite the scene going on here in Vegas.
Order filled.
Now you can't hear me very well because I am crushing the Nazi is better than hearing clearly. Yes. Probably hearing clearly though too. Hopefully. All right. Let's buy one of these.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. So now I need to buy another one here. Actually, I'm gonna close that. Close a part of it. And then figure out what's going on over here. MNQ. All right. We're going to get long. And that'll be the last one I can get long. Yeah. Oh, shit. Why did that
Order
happen?
filled.
This thing's moving too fast. Didn't quite get...
Order filled.
Just missed that -2s. Some of you better end up having your personal best today on the NASDAQ ever. I can't remember seeing it this easy. God, that was a good entry right there. I think if I got another one on.
Order filled.
Yeah. Dude, absolute high tick of the day. S&P over here. I haven't looked at crude oil. Crude oil is now into the offer zone, so it's a short here on the range trader at like R1. You could wait till R1, but targets for longs just came in at 73.90s. Let's check in with the one thing that's not working at all, the Russell short. But I have faith. I have faith. I think I need to take one of these S&Ps off. We came in a little bit. We're a little heavy. A little heavy. So we lost some money on that one. All right. Dow chopping around at the top of the range, but yet again. That's, who sang that song? The Bengals? I don't like Mondays. The Bengals? I don't like Mondays. It's a limiting belief, man. Let's not have any limiting beliefs. I'll tell you what's a limiting belief. The frickin' CRO's down to 80 cents. What are you going to do? I'm going to buy more at 50 cents. Hopefully it gets to 50 cents. One more touch of the NASDAQ. Here we go. Welcome to the 4 new members, by the way. If it's your first day here as a member, let me know. Say hello. Tell us where you're from. Oh, hello, Hernan. Buenos Aires, Argentina. All right. Yeah, we spoke or we heard from you on Friday. Welcome. You having a good trading day? Picking up in the middle of this crazy movie we got going on? Fun movie. All right, demo's a good way to start. Do you have prop program evaluations, or are you doing anything with the prop programs? They end up being a great learning tool. I don't have any issues with demo, but then at some point it really makes sense to have a couple of the evaluations from one of the firms, because it just puts a little skin in the game, makes you feel a little bit more like it's real. Oh, past 3, that's awesome. There you go. It's even better. You don't need any of my help. All right, I really, really would like the Russell to come in here and fill in this move a little bit. Here, hold on. Okay, look how pretty that both those charts are. You got developing value area low of 515 right at your -1s. Then you have the spike lows for the session at 495 basically, which is at -2s. It's like a thing of beauty. You gotta love when one of your targets is the prior session's high. So you passed 3 but haven't got a payout. Okay, so you're working on your 3. That's perfect. Let's work on them together here. TDG Way, we'll turn them into like little cash flow machines. Oh, no. We will. You will. I'm doing the first part. I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you unwavering faith. Unwavering faith. I mean, because again, this is the nonsense I'm looking at. By the way, the screen at the top center is the one that the room is in. All this stuff down at the bottom is all my fun shit. So you guys can all do this, because if you're just paying attention to like one thing, God, look at this Nazi. Come on back up. Here we go. One more time. Thank you, sir. May I have another? Yes, forget it all. Wipe the slate clean. Have a lobotomy. I don't know if you can function much if you had a lobotomy. Don't have a lobotomy. You don't want to have a lobotomy. That's probably not ideal. Scratch that. Scratch that idea. All right. No, one more of these Nazi. All right, I want to get this crap off the screen, so I think I go to hide position history. There we go. I'll clean it up a little bit. So Dan's asking a question. I guess it's best for, I don't know the answer to that either, because I'm in a similar situation where Bull and Knox, I can't even remember. I think in most cases you do need to tell them your intentions, and sometimes they'll allow you to do that, but I'm not exactly sure. I passed 10 Apex on another connection, and John was like, "Hey, bud, you don't have to pay for those activation fees. I'll just credit them for you, because I'm a big deal." I'm like, "No, John, no, we don't do that. We pay full price here. We feel it all. If you make it free, I won't treat them right." Do you know that there's still about 20% of the entire cohort of Apex traders that reset an account at least once a cycle? Guys and gals, what in the F with that? Not the fact that you blow it up and you need a reset. Just wait till the subscription renews for $20. Why in the F are you paying $80? I appreciate it. I don't think it's anyone hearing my voice. That was the best thing that ever happened, was when I started marketing that, because I got all these idiots now that pay me every month for being idiotic. There you go. So River's saying that you can hold as long as you keep the subscription active. Hold! All right, let's take a guess. Which is the next direction of the NASDAQ, up or down? Do we see minus ones or plus ones first? It's easy to bet for minus ones. I know you guys are all going to bet minus ones. I bet you're right. I'm going to put them out of business? No. The drunk monkeys resetting their accounts keeps them in business. Oh, you mean I'm going to put them out of business by instructing people that their idiotic behavior is avoidable? I don't know what else to do. The only thing I can think of is you just have to start by having people not reset or not have a need to reset, then they don't reset. But I mean, that's just. By the way, the Dow's right back up at highs here, so we're gonna. Oh no! Oh no! I thought my machine's been freaking out recently. Look at that Dow. Stream turn sell did not work. All right. Dan's going with Nazi going higher today, so he's going for the 556s first. I think we're going to see the 515s first and then the 556s, but I don't know. Why would someone want to put them on hold and not activate? I can think of all kinds of reasons. Maybe some of you guys want to provide your reasons for doing that. My reasons are very unique, which is that I don't need them. I don't want to trade them. Sometimes I don't even want to pay for them. So I just keep it going. But now I don't need to anymore. I closed all my Bullinox accounts down, took the payouts from all the accounts that qualified. And I did so because I don't need to trade them anymore. They're a great learning tool. Steve's become an amazing affiliate of theirs. A lot of you guys are in those programs because they're cheaper. We know they're legit. We know they pay out. We know they answer their customer support tickets, so I can continue to recommend them. But I don't even really need to recommend them because I'd rather have you guys as sub-affiliates or affiliates. I don't even think Bullinox has a sub-affiliate program, so you guys are all just direct affiliates, which is awesome. So roll with it. We just need to make sure that these firms remain legit. Legit, too legit to quit. I had heard some issues actually about ETF giving people payout hassles, but then it turned out to be not true. It just turned out to be that people were not familiar with the payout policy. You might not like the policy or how it works or the hoops you have to jump through to get a payout, but you can't say that they're not doing it. All right, we got our -1 touch.
Order filled.
You know, the account that I want to work on is my take profit account. When's the last time I logged in there? I don't know. Let's see here. Okay, hold on. Let's do ETF too.
Order filled.
All right, let's drag this one over here so we have. Now the thing is that we determined there's no more financial stuff today, right? Okay, what was I doing? Oh, this is ETF. Now let's do this. This one is take profit. I hope this is a positive number because honestly, I think I lost money in this account. Let's see. I'm going to do it right in front of you. I think I'm down. I told you I never have an account that's down. Oh, 50,125. It's not down. I'm the best ever. It's not down. It's a higher value than where it started. I know I had a drawdown on that account though. Dow going higher. At least the S&P's coming in a little bit. Russell going higher. Mm. All right, the power of quitting. Let's do it.
Order filled.
Someone just said a pretty dead day. Are you kidding me? This is like a great. You dead? What are you looking for, man? Come on now. This is a great two-way action, and it's showing us exactly what that video is that I did on Friday, which is let's come in, make our money, crush it. I mean, look at this funny money over here. And that was just from just not paying attention and catching the plus twos. I don't know about you guys, but I think this is a pretty good day. 472 across 5 accounts. Shit, I'll take it. All right, Nazi, come on down. You're the next level on the levels we need. All right, we're going to get a fill here. NASDAQ, micro NASDAQ, buy it. Buy it. I don't know, man. They've had plenty of time to scare the children. I don't need them to scare the children, Nick. Do you? I'd rather just have them stay in this beautiful range, exploring everything you can get here. And I just lucked into absolute perfect positioning. I'm long the Nasdaq, buying these swift moves and into the drops, and then I'm short the rest of the market, which is just going up and higher. But it's like kind of like an accidental hedge. Like I mean, I don't know if the Dow's ever going to come down or the Russell's ever going to come down. Doesn't look like the Russell's ever going to come down. So it makes me want even more Nasdaq to offset that. Stupid Russell, 42 points. Dumb Russell. Is Davos still going on? I thought Rich Guys in Snow was over.
Order filled.
I mean, last week. So we still got Rich Guys in Snow going on. Rich Guys in Snow. So I caught that shit. Look at this. Boom. Let's just sell that. Join the ass there. Come on, hit me. Somehow I'm down $170 in this account today. The answer is not paying attention. Damn. Boomer Dan. You're in a zone now, huh? Dan, when did you join? And by the way, thank you for all the people you're introducing to our group. Really appreciate it. But I think you've only been a member for a couple months, 3 months. That's the unwavering faith there, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Come on, it's the singing. No. More congratulations, everybody. Let's see. Anyone else? We got a little ways until we'll do it, but if you got any P&L porn that you want to put up there. You guys are doing the work. And it's work. It's a lot of work. Thanks to Brad and that whole group too that's doing the replays and rewinds and reassessing what's going on.
Order filled.
Nice, Brad. Love it. Who can take a sunrise, shower it with bloom? I wouldn't mind if the S&P. I'm going to short the Dow here, so that will actually be the sign for it to go higher. And a new high. By the way, I'm doing this wrong. So the new high for me is basically 15 ticks. So I'm going to go up to 18s, like right here. So there we go. I like to do new highs in the Dow by like 15 ticks.
Order filled.
Oh, you knew that Art was going to come in with some heat. You knew Art was coming in with some heat. CJ, are you in here? It's been a while since CJ's dropped in some crushingness. We need to hear from the old school. All right. We got half an hour left in today. Time to recruit. Who's doing Trader Talk Tuesday tomorrow? Who's doing Trader Talk Tuesday tomorrow? Grow a set and step up. How about a brand new member? Someone just signed up on a plan. You want to do it? What Trader Talk Tuesday is, if you're not familiar with it, it's important that you get familiar with it. You can go over to Discord and just type in Trader Talk and listen to some of the great Trader Talks we've had. It's just a 20-minute, very informal conversation, get to know you kind of thing. As they say in traditional media, it's a fluff piece. It's a fluff piece. No volunteers yet. Eventually, we're going to talk to Dan again because he has offered many times, which I appreciate. All right, some of you guys are rooting for Scare the Children. It's happening a little bit. I don't think we got a whole much more selling. Do. At least the Dow came in a teeny bit. A teeny bit. Ding dong. As much as I don't want to do it, I really have to take. Uh-oh, I'm not liking this. This mouse is acting weird. All right, we're going to buy that right there. Come on down. Let's go. I love, by the way, the stuff that Derek and others have been posting in here on the Futures channel. You guys see this? These levels are just amazing. They're just like that. He's showing, you guys all know the levels. Look at this. And, it's not about mentoring, about mirroring me or anything, but almost every time he posts in here, I have the same position on. So look on the NASDAQ now is down to prior session's high. So let's see if the prior session high holds. MES target I'm just going to bring down to there. Dow's coming in.
That was just a really quick test. Just ignore that. That's like a separate trade altogether that I'm doing. That's just like a test. I'm doing these tests on the Qs. So I was just doing a test there. Ignore that. And we're still running here. Let's see where we're at. We have, holy moly. Are we at, is that right? Looks like we should be filled. Any second now. So this is coming in here.
Don't go up, NASDAQ. Go down a little.
We're going to get filled here pretty soon, potentially. So
Got outside the zone there, so we'll see how long we stay outside the zone.
we'll have to wait and see. Hold on.
Yeah, we have built a small but mighty and growing, really good group of people in here. We really have, and I've had like 6 different cohorts on the trading education side in the last 20 years. This is far and away the best, and a lot of it is because of the micros. The micro stock indices have really changed the game, and we can trade in a properly capitalized way. It was really, really tough in a lot of those other times. I mean, just people just losing real money all the time, despite they just weren't. Most people were just not capitalized properly to trade the futures markets, you know. And then I'm in there with some of my other business partners charging whatever X to get access. And as much as I hated stocks for day trading, I had to switch a lot to options and other things because then you could kind of control your size a little bit. God, they keep. All right, I got to do a graceful exit on one of these here on the Russell. And let's look to buy another NASI here on a test back down. I think this is a mess over here. All right. Making money on the Dow short. So I'm just going to protect profit and come in at who's short the Dow? Have you been fighting it? Is anyone fighting it? Okay. Russell, if I just keep shorting you, eventually you come to butthead. Eventually. I was
Order filled.
sure that they were going to rip up to 2,000 and through it, but that's why I don't think that much, because I have no idea what I'm thinking about. All right, really tight stop now on this Dow short. 5 hundo today on the Apex evaluations. 5 hundo per account. Trying to show up a little bit like Art and the rest of you guys do. Oh, Mark, you were messing around with the Russell with me? We don't want to be doing that. All right, let's just move these S&P shorts targets to where they should be on the stay in your lane. Remember, I entered them off the range trader. Come on down. Here we go. I need a 6 lot. I think this is bad news bears right here. Yeah, keep losing money. Top Step's made a lot of improvements, but the fact that they've had this Top Step X out this long and you still can't trade the micro Dow and you still can't trade the micro Russell and you still can't trade the treasuries, it's like, come on, guys. Can't trade micro gold. You can on any other platform. They support them all now, which is great, but not on theirs. Let's check back in over here and make sure that they haven't answered my ticket. No! Ladies and gentlemen, I might make a stand here. I think you might not see me on TradingView for a little while if I can't solve this, because I'm not going to pay them when the data comes from
Order filled.
Go Russell. Piece of crap. All right, now as he gets back in the zone. Mike still holding up okay? This should sound pretty good. We turned it up over there to 22.5 decibels. Good. All right. All right, that's a little swing level there. I'm going to take one at that level, I think. Maybe. No. Very poor customer service. Who? The Top Step? Yeah. I don't, that's one of the factors that I can't analyze all that much because I don't, I never submit tickets.
Hey, Dad, you know something crazy that just happened in my game? Okay, so basically I was playing the Rising Jack, which means the Iron Dragon in German.
All right, over here, let's go here and turn this off. We're going to turn that off, and then we're going to go here, and then we're going to go here. Yes, that is correct. And then I want to trade, yes, same thing. Let's see if we can get a fill. Bump, 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 bump. Look get this Russell to crack. Russell should crack here. Crack attack. Kind of a weird distribution on the S&P today. If we keep the VPOC up there at 48.93, it looks like it probably should close there. If we keep that VPOC up there, then we're going to have some really nice projections for highs tomorrow. Rule of projection from 48.93s could get us to like 49.40s almost, right? We could be looking at 49.40s. You guys remember when the NASDAQ 5,000 was a big deal? When NASDAQ 5,000 was a big deal? Not anymore. All right, we're going to finish up in just a little bit here. Did we miss any questions? Did I miss any questions for today? By the way, I love the PNLP that's coming in. Very sexy. It's good looking. Super good looking. I think I should have got a fill here. No, not quite. Man, it's cold in this freaking house. I think the NASDAQ first hit 5,000 around the .com boom. You guys go back and look. And then it took like forever for it to get back to 5,000. And now we're at 17,000 on the futures.
Order filled.
Come on, Nazi, go lower. There we go. There we go, Russell.
Order filled.
NASDAQ right on its prior session high. Get back inside range. The next level to look at is this kind of high volume node from Friday, 427s in there. That's what I would look for. 427s.
Order filled.
There we go. Helps.
Order filled.
Can't break the back of the Dow at all yet.
All right, I think that's our cue. Let me pause this real quick. Take the room off over here. Let's see if we got filled on that. Yes, so we got filled. So awesome. So we got filled at 30. That gives us $100 for today. And we've been in this trade about an hour and 10 minutes. Okay, so let's fill out our Excel sheet. And today is the 22nd, 1/22/24. We made $100. At risk was $840. we were in the trade for 70 minutes. And here's our new numbers.
Finally goes red. Just giving back the.
Okay, so we're getting closer to our. What number do we need to go to 3 contracts? I'm just using the most risk ever on that one contract, which was 420 times 3. So around 1260. So like one more trade, and we can go to 3 contracts. All right, so that's it for this one. If you'd like to follow me along with this trade, just go ahead and make sure you're subscribed to the channel below. And you can also join me on my website. If you go over there, just join my free email newsletter. And as soon as you do that, you'll get a welcome email from me. Just reply back to that welcome email, and I will hook you up, and we'll get me in contact, and we'll go from there. All right, and also be sure to join the Vince room, or the day our day trading room, where we get in here every morning. That's what we were listening to today. We were just kind of eavesdropping in there on the trading room. When we get in there, we do that trade called the Vince trade, which is doing very remarkably well. And we'd love to have you join us. Just let me know if you'd like to have a free pass to the room. I can get you in there, a free trial, and we'll go from there. All right, that's it. Thanks. Bye.